In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create a fillable PDF form with Microsoft Word or Google Docs. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, you'll want to open Google Docs in your web browser. You likely have a specific document in mind that you wish to convert, so make sure it's ready and open in your Google Docs window. Google Docs is a powerful tool that allows for collaborative editing and has plenty of functionality to enhance your document before turning it into a fillable form. Once you're in Google Docs, head over to the extensions menu at the top of the screen. The extensions menu expands the capabilities of Google Docs through various add-ons, making it versatile for all sorts of tasks, including creating fillable forms. By clicking on this menu, you can explore a range of tools that integrate seamlessly into your workflow. Now within the extensions menu, click on add-ons. This will open a side menu where you can manage your current add-ons and browse new ones. The power of add-ons is that they can tailor your Google Docs experience, adding specialized features that aren't available out of the box. It's a fantastic way to enhance the native capabilities of your document editing experience. Next, select Get Add-ons. This will open up the Google Workspace Marketplace. Here you can find a plethora of add-ons designed to expand the functionality of Google Docs and other Google Workspace apps. You can think of it like an app store for your Google services. Whatever you need, you're likely to find an add-on for it. In the search bar within Google Workspace Marketplace, type in Fillable Documents. This search query will present you with various tools and add-ons that specialize in creating forms from your existing Google Docs or turning your Word documents into PDFs that can be filled out electronically. Look through the options available and read the descriptions to ensure you choose the one that best fits your needs. After selecting the fillable document tool that suits you best, click on Install. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Once the add-on is installed, you'll find new options within Google Docs that allow you to create and customize fillable PDF forms right from your document. And that's it, you've successfully learned how to add the necessary tools to transform your Word or Google Docs files into fillable PDFs. This is a great way to modernize your form creation and maintain a high level of professionalism in your digital documents. Happy form creating!